Welcome to the Ultimate MetaSounds Reference Guide, Miscellaneous Conversions. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an overview of the remaining conversions within our MetaSound node options. Because these are all relatively straightforward, I'm not going to bore you by going through each one individually. As you work through creating MetaSounds, you may find certain scenarios where you have data that you would like to use to drive a specific parameter on a node, but the problem is that the input type on the node doesn't match the output type where your data is coming from. Or you may need to convert one type of data into another type, but you're not sure of the formula needed to get it there. That's where our conversion nodes come in. For example, let's say we wanted to use semitones to adjust the input frequency of a sine generator with a base frequency of 440. Because frequencies are logarithmic, we would need to know that one semitone up is 466.16 Hertz. Two semitones is 493.88 Hertz, and so on. Or we could just use our conversion node that has the semitone to frequency multiplier algorithm built in and use more digestible numbers like 1 and 2 to drive this input. To see the full list of videos in this reference guide, click the link to the playlist in the description below.